Welcome to ISSB Guide Series Part 118. Today in this video we will discuss verbal intelligence test. We will teach you in this video most repeated and most important kinds of verbal intelligence test which will be helpful for your preparation of PML on course 149. This video is especially for candidates, for aspirants of PML on course 149. Before starting our video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So first of all, what is verbal intelligence test? So it is kind of intelligence test and it assesses your intelligence. Means its main reason behind this test in recruitment process of PML long course is to assess your intelligence, your analytical approach, how can you solve difficult problems while serving in Pakistan Army and as well as in your life. So there are lots of types of verbal intelligence test, but we will discuss only most important and most repeated kinds of verbal intelligence test. The kinds which we will discuss in this video are analogy or relationship type, series completion test, classification or odd man out, coding and decoding, and if you want to learn other kinds of verbal intelligence test also, and we will tell you that from where you can learn those types. So the first type we are going to discuss is series completion test. Series completion test is asked in two ways. Either series is of numbers or it is a series of alphabets of letters such as you can see here on your screen. So first we will discuss series of numbers and then we will move to the alphabetical series. So first question is what come next in the following series. So here series is first there is 6 and after a comma there is 9. Okay, so the first step to solve series completion test is to see the difference between two numbers. So what is difference between 6 and 9? The difference between 6 and 9 is 3. ठीक. Okay, so if we add 3 in 6, so answer will be 9. Okay, then we will see what is difference between 9 and 13. So the difference between 9 and 13 is 4. Okay, here difference was only 3 and here it became 4 and here it became again 3. The difference between 13 and 16 is 3. Okay, so again when we see difference between 16 and 20, we will realize that difference between 16 and 20 is 4. So here we got the answer. How we got the answer? First we will add 3 in the number. For example, here if we will add 3 in 6, we will get 9, and after that when we will add 4 to 9, we will get 13. So series will continue like this. So now we will add 3 in 13, so we will get answer 16, and then we will add 4 in 16, we will get 20, and then we have added here 3 in 20 and we got 23. Just like that. Now what is the turn? Okay, so we will add 4 in 23 and we will get 27. So here we have to put 27, and afterwards we will add 3 in 27, so we will get number 30. So here we will put 30. So we will look in options. Is there any option 27 comma 30? So C is our correct option. Okay, very easy. Okay, now we will solve another question here. So the second question is what will come next in the following series. So here is 2 and after 2 here comes 6. So we will first see the difference between 2 and 6. The difference between 2 and 6 is 4. Okay, when we add 4 and 2 we will get 6, and after that we will see difference 6 and 11. So the difference between 6 and 11 is of 5 numbers. So here was 4 and here is 5, and we will see again difference between 11 and 17. When we will see difference between 11 and 17, we will know that the difference between two is of 6 numbers. Okay, here was 4, here it was difference of 5 numbers, and here is difference of 6 numbers. So this series will continue like this, and here will be difference of 7 numbers, here will be difference of 8 numbers, here will be difference of 9 numbers, and here will be difference of 10 numbers. So here is 41. Now here we have to put 51. So where is 51? Here is also 51, and here is also 51. So what will we do next to find our next number? We will add 11 in 51. When we will add 11 51, we will get 62. Okay, so our correct option is C. These are very easy, and you will also be able to solve these by practice, because practice makes man perfect. So we have solved these two questions for you, and you have to solve this question by yourself. It is exercise for you. Okay, and comment down correct option. After series completion test of numbers, we will move to series completion test of letters, alphabet. So you will see here that what is difference between A and C. So after A it comes B and then comes C. So B is missing here. So B is missing here, means one letter is missing here. And when we will see difference between C and F, we will know that two letters are missing. Which letters? D and E are missing. Here one letter was missing, and now here two letters are missing, and here three letters will be missing. Which three letters? G, H, I. These three letters are missing between F and J. So now turn is missing of 4 numbers, and after J we will count 4 numbers which are missing, which will be K, L, M, N. So our correct option will be O. Are you understanding properly? These are very easy, no tension. After that, here is a 20th question. When you will see that here is AB, and it has become opposite to AB, and it has become BA. So here is ABC, and it has become opposite CBA, and here is ABCD, and it will be opposite DCBA, which is last option E. It is our correct option. So you have also solved alphabetical series also. So the first type of verbal intelligence test has been completed here. Now we will move to our second type, which is coding and decoding. So see here, always in this type of questions there is always example part in which we have to understand that how a word is coded, and after that there is question part in which we apply the same analogy of example part here to get our answer. So DCF is code of BAD, BAD. So how DCF is code of BAD? Okay, so to know that we have to analyze this. See here, here is B, okay, and here is D. When we see in alphabet, D comes after B, okay. When we say B, C, D, so B always comes after, D always comes after B, and the difference between two B and D is that here one letter is missing, which was C. Okay, so after that here is second letter A. Okay, and here is C, which is code for A. How this C become code? This become code just like as D became code of B. Okay, we will go one letter ahead of letter itself. How? When there was when there was B, so the code of B was D, and where D exists in alphabet, it exists one letter ahead of B. Okay, so the code of A is C, and where C exists in alphabet, it exists one letter ahead of A. Okay, so the code of D is here F. F exists in alphabet one letter ahead of D. Okay, so the code is the code of the word will be one letter ahead of that letter. So here is E, means E is one letter ahead of our original word. So we will go backward. So before E the letter comes D, and before D the letter comes C. So the first letter of this code will be C. So here is C, and it is our correct option. Okay, so coding and decoding is little bit difficult, so try to understand this. And after that, here is second question. BME is code of dog, so MLC will be code of. Okay, so look here that uh, look the similar words. Okay, so here is M in the code, and here is O in the word. So when there will be M, the word will be O. Okay, so here is also M, so we will see that the first word letter of our word will be O. So in options we will say we will see that which word has O in its first is its first letter. So option A has O in its first letter, so it is our correct option, and we found it directly. We did not solve the question completely. Okay, these codes were in letters. Now here are some codes in numbers. So dozen is coded in this number 35712, and what will be the number code of Dane? Okay, so the very simple trick for this is Den has DEN, and dozen has also D. Okay, and it has also E. Okay, it has also N. So we will now see that which number is code of which letter. So here 3 is code of D. So in Den here is D, so here we will write 3. Okay, and after that for E here code is 1. Okay, we will write here 1 for this E. Are you understanding? Yes. Okay, after that here is N. The code for N is 2. So here is also N, we will write here 2. So our answer is 312, and our first option is our answer, and it is correct. Okay, so just like this you have to solve this question by yourself. And now here coding and decoding finishes, and you have learnt it properly. And now we have learnt series completion test and coding and decoding also. Now we will move to classification or odd man out. In classification or odd man out, we have to find the different from the all the options, the different word from all the options. So here is May. Okay, May, April, Friday, and November. So in these four options, which is different from others? April is the name of month, November is the name of month, May is the name of month, but Friday is the name of a day. So it is different from all of these, and it is our correct answer. After that, our second question is find the odd man out, and here first option is student, and other is engineer, other is teacher, and here C option is books. So student is a profession, engineer is a profession, and a teacher is profession. Okay, but books is not profession, book is a thing. Okay, it is a material. So it is our correct option. Just like this, we will solve our third question, which is here Punjab is a province. Lahore, sorry, Punjab is the name of a province, Lahore is the name of a city, Karachi is the name of city, but Ravi is the name of a river. So here is the difference. Okay, So it is our correct option. And after that, here is that which one is different from the rest. So this question is for you. You have to solve this and comment down the correct option. So here you have learned three kinds of types of verbal intelligence test. After that, the last kind of a verbal intelligence test which we learn in this video is relationship or analogy test. So in this test, question is divided in example part and question part. In example part, there are two words such as here is sky and here is aeroplane. We have to find relationship between sky and aeroplane, and we have to put the same relationship in question part. Okay, so what is relationship of sky and aeroplane? The relationship of sky and aeroplane is aeroplane always flies in the sky. Okay, it is the relationship. So what, which type of transportation travel on land? Okay, aeroplane travels in sky, and which type of transportation travel on land? Does a train travel on land? Train travels on track. Okay, does car travel on land? Yes, car travels on land, but car is not the mode of transportation. Does tanga travels on roads? It also travels on road, but it is not modern transportation and modern transportation which runs on fuel. Okay, so our correct option is C, which is car. Car is modern transportation which travels on road, and just like that, aeroplane is modern transportation which travels in sky. So car is our correct option. Just like that, here is breakfast is to lunch, the relationship of breakfast and lunch, and the same relationship we will apply in our question part. So first we always do breakfast, then we have lunch. So when we have lunch, and after that we will have dinner in night. So dinner is our correct answer. After that, here is a last question. If rate is to tar, now see here, rate has the spelling of rate has become opposite to the spelling of correct rate. So it has become opposite of spelling. So T has come on first, and R is at A is at middle, and R has came to the last. So just like that, we will spell pit again. So here is PIT, and we will write TIP. So TIP, where is TIP in options? A is TIP, so it is our correct option. So here we learned four types of verbal intelligence tests. Now you have to practice these all. From where you have to practice? From Super Intelligence Test by Doggers Unique. It is very helpful book for verbal, non-verbal. You can buy from a bookstore, or you are not interested in buying, so you can ask in comment section. We will send you in PDF form free of cost. Okay, and the second source of practice is gotest.com. It is very helpful website. You can practice from there. And after that, if you want to learn other types apart from these four types of verbal intelligence tests, if you want to learn other types of verbal intelligence tests such as time sequence test, reasoning ability test, and after that the problems of age and direction sense test, you can also learn these types of verbal intelligence tests from our channel. We have made each and every types video on Ali's Way YouTube channel. You can watch there. So here today our video ends. I hope you have understood well. If you have not understood well, tell us in comment section. We will again try to teach you these types of verbal intelligence tests. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.